Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my grocery store business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I will go ahead and walk you all through the Word document portion of the grocery store business plan template, which it actually contains the business plan template itself. And then I'll briefly introduce you all to the financial model, which is in an Excel file. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my grocery store business plan template. So the way this works is that once you purchase my grocery store business plan template, it does come with a Word document as well as an Excel file. The Word document has the business plan template, and the Excel file has the financial model. Once you open up the Word document, you are greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and get rid of the wording grocery store. They'll put their logo right here, and then they'll leave the wording business plan underneath. The second page is the table of contents. And once you start adding your information into the business plan, inevitably the page numbers are going to change. So you're just going to come over to the table of contents, click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and then all of your titles and all of your page numbers will update accordingly. In your executive summary section, I give you a great starting point for the grocery store summary, your target market, financial highlights, and your funding request. In order to get to numbers for the financial highlights, you do need to open up your financial model, put all your numbers in there, and then once you're done with that, go to the summary tab or the projections tab, and then you can extrapolate the appropriate numbers for the highlights. The next section is going to be the company description section. I give you a really good starting point for the grocery store summary, popular products offered, competitive advantage segment. You also have a primary target market area, pricing strategy section, hours of operation. And then I give you a location with a description in there that you can go ahead and edit. And then the section ends with a business objectives and timeline. And here you can tell the reader where do you think you're going to be in 3 months, in 6 months, and 12 months. For the industry analysis, I have a subscription to IBIS World. IBIS World, in my opinion, is the industry leader in industry research. And what I do is I obtain the report for the grocery store industry. I'll extrapolate important information, and then I will update the business plan accordingly, of course, paraphrasing the information to avoid plagiarism. And I do offer a citation at the bottom. SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. All you have to do is just click on the smart art and just start updating it as needed. The next section is going to be the organizational chart or organizational structure. And in the organizational structure, I've got two segments, which is the ownership segment and the organizational chart. Anywhere you see yellow throughout the business plan template, that's where you definitely need to go ahead and make sure your information is in there. For the organizational chart, again, just click on it and start typing, get rid of whatever you don't need, and add what you do. For the marketing section, I do give you 3 starting points for 3 marketing channels, which would be your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. The next segment is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started, the term expected, and interest rate range. And the final section is going to be the financial projections. The financial statements do come up from the financial model. I'll be going over that in just a second. But in the financial model for your financial statements, it does come with a profit and loss for year 1, broken up monthly as well as quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Then we've got month 4 through 6, quarter 2. Month 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then we got month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, we have our pro forma income statement, which is just a summary of your revenues, your expenses, and your net income for the next 5 years. Again, this is annually. In order to get these financial statements, you do need to go to your financial model, which is the Excel file. And once you open that, you're going to see 4 tabs: your information page, your projections, your profit and loss statement, and your income statement. All of your changes are going to be made on the information page. So when anything in darker color cells, for example, right here, you can put your information in there. And once you put your information in there, your projections, which is just your financial summaries, will update. Your profit and loss will update as you change information. And then your income statement will be continuously updating as you add more and more of your information. Some of the areas that you can go ahead and customize are going to be your daily sales, your labor, starting with the salary, as well as the number of employees and the rates of pay. Section in here for a startup cost. And then I've got a section in here for your monthly fixed cost, your miscellaneous information, growth rates for revenues, as well as growth rate annual for your fixed cost. And then finally, your loan information right down here. So again, once you update this information in the darker color cells, your projections, which is just a summary of your financial position, all these numbers will update accordingly as you enter your information on the information page. The profit and loss statement, again, will update as you enter the information on that page. This will update as well. And so same thing with the income statement. The more you enter in the information page, the more this will update as well. Once you're done with all of your financial projections information, just come over to each one of the financial statements and copy it and paste it into your Word document. And after that, once you're done, you're done. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up now. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.